Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. And you can see futures are pumping. They're up pre-market. US government is opening up. Shutdown is pretty much done. They're opening up, and now we are going higher. And I was telling everybody on my Discord channel that this is a time to buy. On Friday, you can see we went near second standard deviation. Usually it's the perfect time, and then they rallied massively up. And on NDX chart, there were gaps. Let me show you on the right side. This is daily chart. If you go to NDX, this is the NASDAQ. And if I go to 1 hour chart, you can see this gap down, which happened on Friday. They push it all the way down and then almost fill this gap on NASDAQ. S&P 500 was almost filled. You can see it's already filled here. NASDAQ was left to fill. And now they're opening on a huge gap up. If I go to triple Qs, you can see now we're opening on a huge gap up. So now there's a concern for bulls. Now there is a gap here, probably looking for that to be filled. Looks like they want to fill that gap, and then they're going to leave a huge gap here. So there's a gap here they want to fill. There's another gap here. Now I don't know. So today they're going to probably go fill this gap, and then they will decide which way they want to go. It's a very confusing time. So this gap is here filled. They could come back and then go higher, something like this. Okay, or they could just keep going higher, fill this gap, and then again fill this gap, and then later at a later date they will come back lower. So I don't know which way it's going to go, but most likely both gaps would be filled. So we have to make a decision on which way it will go. Very interesting decision. We don't know which way it's going to go. So that's where we are. Also, we are near resistance, so probably we can go a little bit more higher to fill some of these gaps, and then probably we'll see what maybe another news will come tomorrow, and then they will come back down. Who knows how things will react. S&P 500, same story here. Again, it was in the buy zone and then going higher. On SPX chart, daily chart, the gap is all the way up here. Okay, so still quite a way to go. This is MES on the right side. We are going higher. I think actually even futures are on a gap. Let me see quickly. If I go to 1 hour chart, even futures have this gap which is not filled. You can see MES and MNQ. That's very rare. So just be careful. Could be there, could be selling. Who knows? I'm not really clear how they're gonna turn this session. Could be a trap. Who knows? But that's where we are. VIX is going down. I told everybody we're getting a 7 count sell signal on my Discord, and now it's crashing. So that's in line with the pump. Bitcoin here is also in a basically right now in a resistance area, sell resistance area. So also it's you can see multiple resistances here, not going to be easy to break out. And you can see BTC here after getting a 7 counts buy signal right in front of some resistance. But let's see if it can close above that. Still a buy signal. Also there is a gap here. If you go to 1 hour chart on BTC, still this gap is not filled. So once I mark these gaps, you will know. So could be coming down at some point. I don't know when. Is it today, tomorrow, to fill some of these gaps? Okay. Let's take a look at basically daily chart of a few of the indexes and stocks. Tesla. This is what I'm holding, and also looking for this gap fill at 444, around 444 to exit. Crude oil is here. Came to the buy zone again. Anytime it comes back here, look to buy this dip. Okay, and apart from that, Ethereum is also holding these 200 moving average. Ethereum CME futures after getting 7 counts buy also opening with a gap. And then gold gold very nicely in front of 20 moving average, breaking out of that. Okay, this is a huge candle. Looks like gold wants to go higher. 7 and 8 counts buy signal we got on daily chart like a week ago, and now it's heading higher. This was a buy signal here. So gold is ready for breakout. Toronto Stock Exchange also getting a 7 and 8 counts buy signal, ready for pump. um, Canadian dollar, US dollar is coming down. Looks like nvda, again, all these tech stocks are opening on a gap up. There are gaps at the top and gaps at the bottom, so that's a concern. So I don't know if they're going to keep filling up and then come back down. Oh, it would be nice if they just rally without gaps, but that's not what they want to do. You can see all these tech stocks are opening on a gap to fill some of these top gaps. So That's the reason I will take profit and then wait for this bottom gap to fill at some point. Bond market also after pump, 7 counts buy signal coming back down. TLT also going to be opening on a gap down here. Hang Seng index just kind of flat here. Natural gas going higher, getting a 8 count sell signal. It's a warning sign. Silver also breaking out here. Copper, 7 counts buy signal on Friday. Wants to rally with gold. Dollar, you can see weakening here in front of resistance and now weakening here. And tech stock, I'm just going to skip because all of these are pretty much on a gap up. So just be careful. UNH is on a gap down after getting a 8 counts buy signal because he's announced a healthcare cost will be given to the people. So there's a big gap here. So could be it's coming back down to this 272 area. That could be a good area to buy for long-term hold. And I will keep it short here, guys. If there are any particular stocks you want me to review, let me know. And then if you want to know about this indicator, subscribe to my channel. Link is in the description. Discord channel, Tesla, for example, bought in this range, green zone, and now gonna be selling in this red zone area. So in one day, you can make a lot of profit, 4 or 5%. So if you want to know more about these and trades I take, subscribe. Take care. Bye.